again, we start at the bottom of the piñata. The tassel pieces, the part that is cut, you want to face downward. So you see this is the top of the piñata and they're facing downward. See how that goes? And all you want to do is run a little bead of the glue, and then you run a little circle of the paper, okay? You keep running the bead, and you keep running paper. That's all we're doing. And you just keep running in circles like this all the way around. And you just go in circles completely around to cover the complete piñata. This is the first step. You see how it's completely covered? Now, right around the outside of this one, you're going to put more glue. See? And then on this one, again, you get another strip of the paper, and you stick it to that glue. See how this is going? This paper gives itself really well to this project, so all you want to do is just go around and around and around like this, okay? And you just keep going around. Gluing and going. This takes a little time. This is where you get your kids involved. Este proceso demora un poco de tiempo, entonces aquí es el proyecto donde quieres traer a los muchachos si quieren ayudar a que tengan tiempo, lo pueden hacer enfrente de la tele o fuera en el sol, donde quiera uno, ¿no? Pero ves, eso es todo lo que estamos haciendo, es pegándolo alrededor así nomás, despacito, despacito, ¿no? Y otra vez, no le hace qué color, usted ahorita puede formar el color de papel que tiene en su equipo o lo que tiene a mano, ¿no? Pero es todo lo que vamos a hacer y le vamos a seguir alrededor y alrededor para llenar todo el globo y luego después hacemos los conos, ¿ok?